आज एक सकाळी आमकां फॅटल एक्सिडेंट रिपोर्ट जालो. सकाळी 8:10 आमकां चिखली कॉटेज हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान एक फोन आयलो की असो एक मनीस बाय नेम निखील साजू, एज अबाउट 23 years, इज अ रेजिडेंस ऑफ दाबोलीम and native of Kerala, was airport staff, was brought as dead in the hospital. So accordingly, how many staff hospital गेले आणि verify केले. So he was dead. After that, also they informed that that was a motor vehicular accident in the hospital. So after that, I along with the staff visited the spot, that is at Dabolim highway near Manjunath Air Launch. सो आनी आमी थंय मायन्युटली ऑब्जर्व केलें आनी इन्क्वायरी केली आनी वी ड्रॉन अ पंचनामा. आनी पंचनामा करतना आमकां थोड्यो क्लूज मेळ्ळ्यो थंय. सो ताजी आमकां नंबर प्लेट हाफ मेळ्ळी, एक 2 नंबर मेळ्ळे लास्ट. आनीक बाकीचे कांय आमकां वेअरअबाउट्स नाशिल्ले ताजे गाडयेचे. सो ताजे वयल्यान आमी इन्क्वायरी स्टार्ट केली. आमचे इंटेलिजन्स सोर्सीस आनी इन्फॉर्मंट्स आनी हे सगळे यूज केले. आनीक मागीर आमी एक गाडयेचें आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळें की अशी एक गाडी आसा. सो अकॉर्डिंगली आमी ती गाडी ट्रेस केली आनी अलॉंग वीथ द व्हेकल आमी ताजो जो ड्रायव्हर आशिल्लो, नेमली संदीप मालवणकर, एज अबाउट 38 years, हू इज द रेजिडेंस ऑफ बायणा वास्को, हाका डिटेन केलो अलॉंग वीथ द व्हेकल. आनी आमकां दिसून आयलें की दॅट व्हेकल इज डॅमेज्ड आनी इट वॉज डॅमेज ड्युरींग द एक्सिडेंट. सो आमी मागीर ताका पुलीस स्टेशनार हाडलो आनीक वी रजिस्टर्ड द ऑफेन्स अगेन्स्ट हिम अंडर सेक्शन 279, 304A IPC and section 134A and B, that is hit and run case against him, and presently he is arrested.
पूर्ण सर ॲक्सिडेंट राती जाल्लो, केन्ना जाल्लो ॲक्सिडेंट जालो?
The accident occurred at yesterday night at 10:30 hours. So he gave a dash to the victim.
काल रातचो.
Yes, and he fled away from the spot. So today morning he was seen by other airport staff while they were going from that side, where the victim was lying on the divider on the road. And after they shifted him through ambulance to the Chikhli Cottage hospital.